Hi there, it's Ziv from Elementor. Today, I'll show you how to use Transform, a great feature that enables you to rotate, offset, scale, skew, and flip your page elements with ease. Set them for both normal and hover states to achieve highly engaging and trendy effects, just like the one you see here. And best of all, you can do all this without leaving the editor. Let's see how it works. First off, let's start with something simple. This image widget will do. You will find the transform settings in the Widgets Advanced tab. I'll go ahead and start with Rotate. Click the pencil icon to apply it. You can rotate easily by using the slider or entering the values in the field based on degrees. If you want, you can also use the 3D Rotate option. It enables you to rotate on a specific axis and change the perspective. Use Rotate X and Y in combination with perspective to achieve the desired goal. And if you don't need it, click here to disable Rotate. Okay, let's move on to Offset. As it sounds, it enables you to offset your elements horizontally or vertically. The values can either be controlled with the slider or by entering and adjusting them in the field. Next up is Scale. Use it to scale elements to the perfect size in your design. Here too, you can control the value with the slider, or by entering the values in the field based on percentage. By default, proportions are kept intact. You can disable this if you like, and use custom ones instead. Let's transform onto Skew. Use it to give your element a leaning effect. These values are based on percentage too. Now, besides all these cool options, you can also simply flip your elements horizontally or vertically. Pay attention that certain effects, such as rotate, scale, and flip, add additional anchor point settings down below. Use them to determine the point of origin around which the element rotates. Setting it to left and top, for example, sets it to the top left corner of the image widget. Same goes for scale. Setting it to right and top sets it to the top right corner of the widget. An important thing to mention is that you can apply multiple transform effects on the same element. As you can see, Rotate is still active. It also means that adjusting the anchor points will change what I said before in Rotate. To top it all off, you can also set these transforms to take place when hovering over elements. I'll go ahead and use this festive recipes menu to demonstrate it. It's made out of regular heading widgets that skew and offset to the right when hovering over them. With just a few clicks, you can use Transform to bring elements to life. In the Heading Widgets Advanced tab, go to Transform. Then, in Hover, set the effects you want to apply when visitors hover over the element. I'll set it to offset to the right a bit. 50 pixels works well. And at the same time, I'll also set it to skew a bit. Cool. When using the hover option, you can also play with the transition duration. I'll set it to 1000 milliseconds. So the effect takes exactly 1 second. Not too slow and not too fast. Just right. Last but not least, settings with device icons can be tweaked for various screen sizes. So go ahead, play around with this cool feature, and find the perfect combination you're looking for. Also, to achieve animated designs that are even more advanced, try pairing transform with motion effects. It can really make your website unique and enhance user engagement. Well, that's it. Now you know how to use transform and use it to make your website stand out, on desktop or any other device. As always, have fun creating, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tutorials. Ciao for now!